I'm push him out here.
But all them days, so good them man, they not do nothing.
Police are fixing body cam. You know, if you bro, man, on the night shift.
No man's an act of himself.
Hello?
Kill himself.
Hello? Oh. See. I think I'm tomorrow. I'm not almost reach tonight. What you want me to do? Anything you want me to do? Just talk to me. Anything you want me to do? So get married then. Alright. Okay, baby.
Tell the girl, she started that means that poison, but like, what it means is that them excited you fuck.
So look, they want, y'all look man, same them man.
Oh my god, fuck them, but
I told him, as you said before, that covered under section 76 and section 87 of the road traffic regulations. Told him that he can 87 and 76.
Alright, so
not fog lights.
Go back to the beginning of the regulation
no,
that
Mr.
states
Officer Martin,
you need your lights during inclement weather condition, poor visibility, or at night.
That's for fog light under section 88,
so
sir.
Poor visibility.
Section 88 says that, Mr. Martin. 87 allows for daytime running lights.
So what is it that you're
This is not a fog light.
Then what is it?
It's a daytime running light.
That is a fog light, sir.
Alright, wait. How do you categorize a fog light? Because I'm telling you 87, how do you categorize a fog light?
Where are fog lights placed on a vehicle?
There is no specific position for a fog light, nor DRL.
Where is the common position for a fog light?
There is no common or based on the law.
What is those lights on that vehicle?
That one is a fog light.
Alright, so I'm coming up with them.
Yeah.
No. What is the difference between that light and your light?
My light has a projector beam which is directional. That light disperses light in all directions. A projector beam.
And on a straight road, where is that projecting?
Down.
This is not projecting on the road.
That has nothing to do with you. That has to do with the
visual impairment at a distance on a straight.
This is regulated by the Island Traffic Authority, but we can go to court. It does not. How do you know?
On a straight.
If you come here, but you can see any daytime running light. You can see any daytime running light, sir. Well,
this is a bright light. This is bright.
It doesn't matter if it's independent either. No, it doesn't matter. Anything you want to do, I'm gonna go to court with it. Yeah. No, we're not arguing. We just need to have the video so that we can. Yeah. So under section 88, vehicles 2024 and you are supposed to have it automatically turned on. 2024 or less can have it an independent switch. Under section 76, all vehicles should have daytime running lights. The light emitted from this does not pass a certain pattern simply because it is a projector beam, so it doesn't have a dispersed light.